Alright, this is Nikesh Patel, and he is currently taking AP Chemistry. So we're going to see if he knows anything about the chemistry behind climate change and environment. Okay, are you ready for questions?
Basically, it's perfectly fine.
I think corporate leaders are ruining America.
Okay, can you give me a one-sentence definition of the greenhouse effect? What? Hi, this is Ms. Pasner, and she is a social studies teacher at North Brunswick Township High School. Ms. Pasner, what we'd like to know is how much do you know about global warming? Global warming, I know, is a very, very bad thing, and I do not know the details of it, but I do know that I need to recycle when I can, and I know that I need to not drive as much and take the subway and do all of those things to reduce my carbon copy. Have you ever heard of global cooling? I believe that that is the idea that the seasons are going to end up getting all out of whack, right? I don't know. Okay. Can I erase that part? No. And can you give me an explicit definition on what climate change really is? I think it's sort of like what I just said, that the seasons that we're used to having are going to be getting all out of whack. That's the time that's supposed to be spring will turn into more like a fall type setting, and then winter is going to be like summer. That because of global warming and I guess global cooling too, that our climate is going to change because of that. Okay, thank you. This is Brian Brochel, and he is the principal of North Brunswick Township High School. And I'm going to ask you a few questions on global warming, climate change, global cooling, and other things in the same vein of thought. Okay. So can you give me...
Going on YouTube, I can feel...
No, this is going on a private site that we have to make for a Chem-Olympics project.
Okay.
Alright. So, can you give me a one-sentence definition of global warming?
Global warming is a destructive and you really told me about this. My brain is in a completely different
okay, that's fine.
Stream of thought. But global warming is a destructive and hurtful outcome to pollution and negative environmental outcomes.
Okay. Can you give me one example of a greenhouse gas? Okay.
No.
Okay. Roughly, which one do you think hurts the environment more? The production of artificially produced chemicals that affect the ozone, or the production of tons and tons of carbon dioxide gas?
Production of carbon dioxide gas.
And which one do you think contributes to global warming more? Water vapor in the atmosphere, or carbon dioxide gas?
Water vapor.
Alright, this is Jen Chung. This is my AP Calculus class, and she will be attending Cornell come next fall because she's smart, right? So because she's so smart, I'm going to ask her some questions about the environment and about global warming. Are you ready?
Yes, I guess.
Alright, so define global warming in one sentence.
Global warming is an epidemic we should be worried about in our society today.
Okay, Miss South Carolina, can you name one greenhouse gas?
Nitrogen? I don't know.
Okay, where have recent climate change talks been held? What city?